Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-step verification on Instagram. Open up the Instagram application here, tap on the profile picture and tap on these three bars in the top right corner. Now here, select this first option, Account Center. Scroll down, tap on this password and security and you can see this option two-factor authentication. Just simply tap on it. And now you have to choose your Facebook or Instagram. We are going for Instagram here. And now you have to choose the type of security method you want. If you select authentication app, click on this next. Follow the instruction on the screen. You have to download the Google Authenticator from Google Play Store and you have to set this app. Now go back to your Instagram and after setting the Google Authenticator, you have to copy this key here. Go to the Google Authenticator, click on plus icon and click on this enter a setup key. Now you have to give name here, Insta, then simply paste your key and then simply tap on this add. And now it's added. You have to copy this, go back to the Instagram, tap on this next and you have to paste the same key you just copied from Google Authenticator like this and tap on this next. And now as you can see two-factor authentication is on. You have to simply tap on this done and now you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.